Yo, what is good, YouTube? We are back with another video. If you guys are not in the free Discord, go join it. It is the first link down below. We are going to be doing a analysis on this upcoming week and what I would expect to see for this upcoming week. But yeah, so looking at the NQ continuous contract, not the NQU chart, we ended up taking this low out from over here. But on the U contract, we made relative equal lows. So the continuous contract took this, but that one did not. And if we take a look at news this week, we do have some nice news coming out. So we have PPI coming out on Tuesday, CPI on Wednesday, and then retail sales and unemployment on Thursday. So the biggest news driver this week is going to be that CPI data coming out on Wednesday. So that's going to be the main day that I would want to see. Now, I do expect us to go higher. We did respect this order block from up here on the weekly time frame. But if we take a look at the monthly, if we are going to use this contract to take out this sell side, it does look like this monthly chart would want to flip green. We're only 11 days into the month, so this could flip green and then continue higher. And if we also take a look down here at the 4 hour, right, this was a massive market maker sell model to that low that got delivered on Monday on the overnight session. So we had this buy side of the curve, and then we had it turn into the sell side of the curve from over here. So we have buy side down into sell side of a market maker sell model. And if we take a look here on the 4 hour, we ended up closing up through this new week opening gap and turning these down close candles into order blocks. And here on Wednesday, whenever it looked like we had a sell off, right, if we take a look at the daily though, before that, we can see that we were just taking out lows and highs throughout the week. So we were in this like lower time frame one, or higher time frame, I guess, seek and destroy on the hourly time frame. But on the 4 hour, we came down to this order block, mean threshold of this order block, and then absolutely ripped face. That's that sell side level. I'm going to take that off. And we also had this SMT down here. So we have that SMT on the weekly, and now we have it down here on the 4 hour. ES took that low out right here, 6 a.m. on Monday. 6 a.m. on Monday did not take this low out. And we have came down, tapped this order block. Same thing on the ES. We came down and tapped the mean threshold of this order block to the tick, right? Low is 82. Yeah, 3 ticks. We came down to that mean threshold price, and now we're getting a bounce higher, and we also closed above that weekly opening gap. So, wow, my mouth's getting dry. So, we just had our weekly candle open up. Now, I think that this candle is going to expand up through that fair value gap. But if it doesn't, it's all... what color should I make this? We'll just make it black. Okay, we'll make it red. It's going to depend on what day we come into this. So I'd want to see the Monday and Tuesday candle. Even if Monday makes low of week, that's cool. But I'd like Monday and Tuesday to start trading lower, and then we get that expansion higher, so we can have our weekly profile be Monday or Tuesday making low of week. Even Wednesday, if CPI wants to release, make an SMT with NQ and ES somewhere with a low down here, and then we start to get that expansion higher. So Monday comes down, Tuesday opens up, maybe chops around a little bit, and then we start that reversal in the afternoon session or something, and then we start to expand the rest of the week. So Monday would want to see it trade lower, and then Tuesday same thing, and then Wednesday can either make low of week or CPI will start the expansion higher. But if we do come into that weekly fair value gap, which is right here, before, so if we come in there tomorrow or something, I mean, we're literally not far at all from it. That's the only thing. We're 100 points from it. So we obviously could just come right into it since we aren't even far from it. And ES is, what, a few points from it? Yeah, 24 points. So we could tap into it and make it look like we're going to sell off. Like if Monday comes up here and then we start to trade lower, and this is going to act as high of week, and then we put in that low of week and get a reversal, and then we take off from there, we could also do that. So this could be your higher time frame soup. This could be soup because we do have that SMT down here, and we have respected the 4-hour order block mean threshold, and we have this SMT and that weekly SMT here with the ES. Now what's YM doing though? Yeah, YM just looks stupid. I don't care about YM. Also, what are we doing? We are rejecting lows and breaking highs. So also running bearish PD arrays. So this is also giving the confluence of going higher. And I'm pretty sure we still have, yeah, we still have these equal highs up here. I thought there was another set of equal highs. These up here are equal highs. I don't know where the other set of equal highs are. We have equal highs up here, relatively equal. Right there, those 4-hour equal highs. Okay, I must be missing them. Or it's, yeah, I don't know where they are, whatever. But we have those equal highs up there. And this daily fair value gap is probably going to get ran. Now, what could happen from here? Obviously, sell off a little bit, come take Friday's low. This could be your soup on the hourly. Yep, right there. This could be your soup on the hourly. And then we start the expansion higher. I don't really expect any of these lows to start to get taken. I don't think we're going to come back down here because there's no reason to, right? This would be soup down here, and then we start the expansion higher, and then we tap into this order block. I don't think I have, yeah, mean threshold order block. So we have this order block that got respected, and then we started the expansion higher. So everything just looks super bullish, right? There's nothing showing me that we would want to actually go lower anymore because we have completed this sell-off down to these lows. Yeah, this structure on the daily doesn't look the greatest, but there's not really any crazy swing lows that have been broken and closed below. This would be the major swing low that gets broken and then closed below to then come higher and then start the sell-off lower again. But we just took it, and now we're coming back up. So we're once again rejecting the lows, and it looks like we're going to start breaking highs again. So once again, what I would expect for this week, we could trade up in here tomorrow or even Tuesday and then start to trade lower. But then Wednesday or Thursday, we come back up and create the low of week on Wednesday, or maybe even Thursday, because Thursdays can create high and low of week as well. So I just think that this is going to get absolutely blasted through. So if we're looking at this chart, and I'd want weekly open would be here. So this is weekly open. I'd like us to trade lower. Why is this at? I don't know why this is being weird. And then we get that displacement out, and then we go higher, and then we get the close. So we'll see what happens for the week, but I don't really expect us to come the entire way back down here. That's a massive candle. And all that basically came from Monday. 1,000 points. That's nuts. Anyways, yeah, that's it. I just want this to continue up, and we'll see what happens from there. And if you take a look at the daily, right, what does low resistance liquidity runs look like? Just like this. Quickly delivers to the lows. What do we see throughout here? Whoa, what was that? Dude, I'm missing a lot of these. Oops. A bunch of failure swings, dude, throughout here. And then we just sliced through all of them. Now if we take a look up through here, failure swings all throughout here. So I think that we run them. We're probably going to be back at all-time highs maybe like a month or two from now. but then we have elections, so we'll see, but we're taking it week by week. I would expect us to have a nice bye week, so we'll see what happens. Other than that, join the free Discord. I will see you guys in there. I did take trades last week, I just didn't upload them. But yeah, I just didn't feel like uploading last week. That's what I was telling the Discord. So yeah, if you guys want to see the trades, you can join and see the trades in there. But yeah, I'll be back to uploading this week. Other than that, I'm out. Peace.